How to turn your controller off. Turning a controller off from the app stops all scheduled watering and prevents any irrigation from occurring until it's turned back on in the app. This is helpful when performing maintenance, repairs, or shutting down the system for a season that doesn't require irrigation. In some areas, this is known as winterizing. How to turn off the controller from the app. Using the bottom navigation bar, tap the Actions button. On the pop-up menu, tap the button Turn Controller Off. Once confirmed, return to the home screen where your zones are faded out. This indicates that the system will not water. When you move around in the app or pull down to refresh your home screen or log back into the app, a new notification, System Off, will appear in your notifications. No program or automatic watering will occur. To turn the system back on from the app, you can either press the notification Turn System On or tap the Actions button from the bottom navigation menu bar. Then press the button Turn Controller On. Tap Confirm on the pop-up, Do you want to turn the system on? Once confirmed, you'll be returned to the home screen. The Your Zones are no longer faded out, which indicates that the system will water.